Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video I'm going to be walking around this absolutely stunning brand new 70 plate Audi SQ5. The upgrade that we've carried out today is a front and rear dash cam as well as a battery system as well as some security upgrades as well. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below and it'll keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. So in terms of this system, what we've got is a Thinkware U1000 front and rear dash cam. It's a 4K front dash cam, an amazing image quality, plus it's insurance approved. Obviously you've spent a load of money on the vehicle, it's an absolutely stunning car. You've got to protect your asset, and this is one of the ways that you guys can do that, by protecting your vehicle with a dash cam. In terms of the solution, the U1000 basically works in a way where you've got a front camera, which is basically the brain in essence, and then it's got a rear camera, which is just a video camera lead basically that runs from front to back of the vehicle. Everything's hidden away, everything's fused correctly, everything is professionally installed when you have your work done here in Cambridge. The rear camera is very small, it's just a video image that basically goes into the main brain of the front camera, and that is all powered by what's called an Ivolt battery. Very, very essential on all dash cameras that you're looking to add and when you're adding parking mode. So if you're looking for parking mode on your vehicle for your dash cam, an Ivolt battery is a perfect solution. Basically what it's doing is as you're driving the vehicle, it charges up the little battery. That little battery then discharges and then powers the dash cam when your vehicle's parked. So when you stop over in Waitrose or at a hotel or overnight, your vehicle is protected and your asset is protected now that you've got the Thinkware U1000 dash cam. So this car is now protected while the vehicle is parked, as well as the fact on the road. So it's insurance approved, which is very, very essential because the recording time is very, very short. Comes with an app so you can download all your footage directly to your phone and send it straight off to your insurance company, as well as the fact it looks very discreet and sort of becomes part of the car as such. So that's basically the dash cam in essence. So everything's hidden away. The battery is mounted in the rear on these cars. However, we can customize that with you, but they're buried away. You don't need to see them. What we've also added in is what's called a Audi S5 tracking system. Basically, you get two ADR cards, which basically is a driver recognition tag that allows you guys to be alerted if the vehicle is started, moved, even with the factory key. If the vehicle is moved without those tags present, you'll get a phone call. I've got the app, I've got the product itself on my own vehicle, works brilliantly well. So if my vehicle moves without my tag present, like this car now, it's protected, I get a phone call straight away. And then also recovery time is very, very quick, normally within 30 minutes. So you know, in peace of mind as well, so key cloning, all that sort of stuff that's going on at the moment, your car and asset is protected. So a really nice solution for this vehicle. So if you're interested in something like this, make sure you get in touch. All the links will be below. Best thing you guys can do though is hit that subscribe button. But thank you very much for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon.